Before an emergency or disaster occurs, it is important to understand what recovery will look like. This video will help you manage expectations post-storm. What should you expect after a tropical storm, a tornado, or similar event? Transportation systems may be damaged and roads and traffic signals may be destroyed or be without power. Curfews may be activated to encourage individuals to stay off the roadways at night. Typical communication systems may be down. Cellular phones could be out for days. Consider multiple forms of communication. Some pharmacies may be damaged or unable to open after the disaster. Florida statute allows individuals to refill their prescriptions before a storm hits, even if it is not the standard refill time. Power could be out for days to weeks. Persons using generators should make certain there is ample space between the home and the generator. Carbon monoxide poisoning is a major issue after hurricanes. Debris will likely take weeks to months to pick up, depending on the severity of the storm. Following Hurricane Irma, a weakened Category 1 storm, Seminole County collected 1 million cubic yards of debris, enough debris to fill Walt Disney World's Epcot Spaceship Earth 12 times. To expedite debris removal, separate vegetation, household debris, and be aware of fire hydrants and overhead wires. FEMA assistance programs aren't guaranteed following a storm. Insurance should always be the individual's primary recovery method. Double-check insurance documents before a storm approaches. Preparedness always helps expedite recovery. For more information, go to our preparedness website at www.prepareseminole.org or call 407-665-5102 for the Office of Emergency Management.